Good morning, students. Welcome to day 15 in class. Already yesterday class we started money lesson because we have learned already how to convert the money rupees to paise. Because you know that the symbol of money, then converting rupees to paise means 1 rupee have 100 paise. You know that basic things. And we discussed also addition and subtraction of money problems. Addition and subtraction of money problems. Today also we are going to discuss about some problems. First one is subtract rupees 76.95. It is 76.95 rupees means 76 rupees 95 paise. Then from 88 rupees point 60 paise. First of all, you should understand the question. What is the given question here? Subtract rupees 76.95 from 88.60. Rupees 76.95 and 88.60 in the ಕಳೆಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Subtract ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Question is very easy, but understanding is very tough. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Then you have to solve the problem. Okay. First of all, subtract 76.95 from 88.60. Then first of all, subtraction is always doing bigger number to smaller number. But already we discussed in last previous class, compulsory how to subtract rupees to rupees, then paise to paise. Understand? Now first of all you should write here rupees 88.60 rupees minus 76.95. This is the given question. Understand? 0 is not subtract 5. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 5. 0 is smaller than 5. Then 0 minus 5, how much? It is 10. 10 because you have to take a borrow, then you have to make a bigger number. Okay. Then 10 minus 5, it is 5 because 5 plus 5, 10. Then it is 6. Understand? It is 6. It is 9. 6 is not subtract 9. That's why you take a borrow, it is 16. Okay. 16 minus 9 plus 1, 10. Carry also should add it here. 9 plus 1, 10. 16 minus 10. How much? 16 minus 10, 6. Then point below point. Then 8 minus 6, 2. And 1 carry is there. You have to subtract it. 2 minus 1, it is 1. Then 8 minus 7, it is also 1. The remaining amount 11.65 rupees. 11.65 rupees, it is the final answer. How to subtraction the problems you know already. Okay. Write down this question. Next question we are going to discuss. First one, Purnima had rupees 3,425 with her. This is your exercise problem. Remember, I am going to solve that exercise problem. It is fourth one, subtraction involving in money system. Okay, her she gave rupees 2,745.75 to her friend to buy a sari. What is the amount left with her okay, left with her. This is the question. It is very easy question. Purnima had rupees 3,425. Purnima had how much rupees? 3,425. With her, she gave rupees 2,745.75 rupees to her friend because of she buying some dress, because of sari purpose she gave her to friend. ಅವಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಳು ಪೂರ್ಣಿಮಾ, ಅವಳ ಹತ್ರನ 3,425 rupees ಇತ್ತು, ಅವಳ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಗೆ 2,745.75 rupees ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು. ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಳು? Because of buying the sari. What is the amount left with her? What is the amount left with her? ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ. ಓಕೆ, now answer. Purnima has total amount is 3,000 rupees 3,425. Then total given amount to her friend rupees 2,745.75. Sir, here point is given but not here given, sir. How to solve? Okay, but this here given 3,425 rupees, it is round figures only. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ ಪೈಸೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, but not given ಪೈಸೆ means there is 0 is there. Remember that. Then next you have to subtract. ಅವಳ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವಳ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಳ ಹತ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಉಳಿತೈತಿ? that is subtraction. It is less. Then you have to do here 0 minus 5. 0 is not subtract 5 because 0 is smaller number. That's why you take a borrow. It is 10. 10 minus 5, it is 5. Then it is also 0. It also cannot subtract. That's why you take a borrow again. Then 10 minus 7 plus 1 carries there. 7 plus 1 8. 10 minus 8 how much? It is 2. Okay. Then again look at here 5. Here also 5. Yes. Then 5 minus 5, but here 1 is there now. 5 plus 1, 6 is there. 5 minus 6, it cannot be subtracted because 5 is less than 6. Again you take a borrow, then it is 15. You 15 minus 5, 10. 10 minus 1, 9. It is the 9. Then here 2 is there and here 4, but it is also not subtract. That's why again you take a borrow. Then 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 1 carry is there. Minus 1, it is also 7. And here 4 and here 7. This is also not subtract. You take again borrow. It is 14. 14 minus 7. 7 plus 7, 14. That's 14 minus 7. Answer should be 7 only. Then 1 carry how to subtract. 7 minus 1, it is 6. Okay. Then here 3 and here 2 plus 1 is there carry. 3 minus 3, it is 0. Our answer is 679.25 rupees. Remaining amount is 6,679.25. Okay. All of you write down this question in red pen and this answer should be blue pen. Okay, write down fast. Now look at here, exercise page number, all of you open 56. Okay, now I am going to solve this fourth one problem. Purnima had already we completed. Then remaining it is very easy. Subtract rupees 348.25 from 500. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ ಇದನ್ನ subtraction ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Then this is Varun bought, you have to do own. Then Razia had 345 with her. She bought a dress for rupees. Okay, this one you have to solve own. It is very easy. Then this is I am going to solve. Okay, Joseph, fifth one only I will solve. Fifth one, Joseph had rupees 2,500 in his account. 500 in his account in a bank. He withdraw rupees 1,800.75 for his expenses. What is the amount left in his account in the bank? Dear students, look at the problem. Joseph had rupees 2,500 in his account. Joseph have one account. That account balance is 2,500 rupees. Understood? In bank, he withdraw means he took that amount. How much amount he took? 1,800.75 rupees he took. Then what is the amount left in his account in the bank? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ 2,500 rupees ಇತ್ತು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ 1,800.75 rupees ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ answer. Joseph has total amount is rupees 2500.00 paise. Then Joseph withdraw amount total amount is rupees 1800.75. This is the withdraw amount. Then minus, same thing is there, 0 and 5 is there. You take a borrow, then 10 minus 5, it is also 5. Then here also you take a borrow, because of here 7 plus 1 8, 10 minus 8, it is 25. Point below point, it is very important. 0 minus 0 always 0, 0 minus 0 always 0. 5 is not subtract 8. 5 is not subtract 8. Again you take a borrow, then 15 minus 8, how much? 15 minus 8, 5 minus 15 minus 5, 10 minus 3, it is 7. Yes. Then 2 minus 1 plus 1 carry, 2 minus 2, it is 0. Then total remaining amount his account rupees 700.25. Rupees 700.25. Okay, write down this one. This one write in red pen and this one write in blue pen. Okay, write down fast. Yes, dear students, now here I solved fourth problem and fifth problem I won't solved, and remaining 1 2 3 is there, you have to solve. Be careful. And in below side is there, we are discussion next class. Okay, before that we are discussion this one, problems involving addition in money system, but I given this one yesterday. Find the following, it is all easy. Sum means you have to do here addition, difference means you have to do here what? Subtraction. Product means multiplication, quotient means division, you have to do here. And it is also easy, you know that how to solve. Then remaining this one we are going to discuss. Only given here 3 problems, you have to tell which problem I solved. First one easy, you have to solve. Second one also you have to solve. Fourth one, third one I will solve. Okay, now third one problem, it is very easy. Girija buys 2 kg of beans for rupees 36.50. 1 kg of tomato, 1 kg of tomatoes for rupees 12.25, and 1 kg of potatoes for rupees 14.75. Find the total amount. Find the total amount that Girija Girija should pay to the shopkeeper. First of all, you should read Girija went to market because of purchasing the vegetables. Understand? Girija went to the market because of purchasing vegetables. She purchased vegetables. What is the vegetables? First one is beans, tomato and potato. These three types of vegetables she purchased, but that purchased amount also is given here. She purchased 2 kg beans, given 36.50 rupees. Okay, only one shop. Then 1 kg tomato, 12.25 rupees. Then 1 kg potato for 14.75. Understand? Find the total amount that Girija should pay to the shopkeeper. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಗಿರಿಜಾ ಆ ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ಗೆ ಶಾಪ್ ಓನರ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು? That one you should find out. First of all, you should write total amount is given means that should be addition. Directly go read. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, what is left amount, what is remaining amount, withdraw amount is given. Three words means that you have to remember, that is subtraction. The given total amount, what is the total amount is given, you have to do there addition. Sum also given means addition. Okay, then answer the cost of 2 kg beans is rupees 36.50. Understand? Then the cost of 1 kg tomatoes is rupees 12.25. Then the cost of 1 kg potatoes is rupees 14.75. Then the total amount is of all items is, you have to add it. 0 plus 5 plus 5 10. Then 5 plus 2 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 15. Then point below point. Then 6 plus 4 10 plus 2 12 plus 1 13. Then 3 plus 1 4 5 6 63 rupees 63.50 rupees 63.50 rupees given to shopkeeper. Okay, this question you should write in red pen, answer should be blue pen. Okay, write down fast. Okay, dear students, exercise 5.1 is there one problem is there. Third one, that one only I will solve. Product of rupees 147.25. Because I cannot explain multiplication and division, only already explained addition and subtraction. Okay, This one we are discussing tomorrow class, and this is your fill in the blanks question. That's why I am going to discuss. What is the given problem? Look at here. Product of rupees 147.25 and rupees 17 is equal to dash dash is there. First of all, you should find the product. The product means multiplication. 147.25. This type you have to write. Then it is 17. Sir, 17 is a table you don't know means don't tens. You have to by heart, but compulsory table should be by heart. Then you take one number only 7 5s are. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ because we are discussed in first lesson only. Your lesson is multiplication first lesson. 7 5s are how much? 35. 3 carry and 5. 7 2s are 14 plus 3 14 15 16 17. 17 1 carry and 7. 7 7s are 49 plus 1 it is 50. Then 7 4s are 28 plus 5. 28 plus 5 how much? 33. 3 carry and 3. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. Yes. 7 5s are 35. 7 2s are 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3 17. It's right. Then one number completed means you leave one line. Then 5 1s are 5. 2 1s are 2. 7 1s are 7. 4 1s are 4. 1 1s are 1. Then you have to addition. 5 7 plus 5 12. 2 plus 1 3. 7 plus 3 10. 4 plus 1 5. 2 plus 1 plus 1 2. Then look at here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How many numbers after the point? Yes number agana point ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ count 1 2 2 numbers agana point ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Sir, no point, only upside is there. Then you have to count the number 1 2 2 numbers agana point ಇದೆ. Then last answer you should observe 1 2 numbers leave and keep here one point. One time ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 1 2 3 ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Then you have to leave here 3 numbers 1 2 3 and here fill by word. Okay. This is the answer 2500 3.25 rupees. This is the answer. Okay. This type more problems are there. You have to solve that. Write down this one. Yes, dear students, this problem and this one and up to this problem, up to Roman number 4 you have to solve. Okay, any doubt means you have to send WhatsApp through, then I will solve and I will send you. Okay, thank you.